Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for new Jobseeker Allowance, which is GSA. If you're looking for work and need financial support, this might be for you. Let's go over the key eligibility requirements first. So to qualify, you need to be over 18, but in some cases, 16 to 17 years old can apply with advice from Job Century Plus. Living in England, Scotland, or Wales. This is available for work, meaning you're not in full-time education and you're not working more than 16 hours a week. You have paid Class 1 national insurance contribution in the last 2 to 3 years. And if you're self employed or have paid Class 2 national insurance, you can't claim GSA, but you can apply for universal credit instead. Now, about the payment. The amount you get depends on your age. If you're under 24, you'll get around 6,720 a year, and if you're 25 or over, you'll get 8480. You must also take steps to look for work as agreed with your work coach. And if your savings or your partner's income exceeds certain limits, you may stop being eligible for GSA. So to apply online, visit this website, welcome to gov.uk, and make sure you have your national insurance number, bank details, and employment details for the last 6 months. You can also backdate your claim up to 3 months in certain circumstances. And once you apply, the Department of Work and Pension, like DWP, will get back to you within 14 days. And you'll either be invited to an interview or get a letter explaining why you're not eligible. Your first payment might take up to 2 weeks to process, and payments are made every 2 weeks, and you'll usually get the same amount on the same day each time. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact Job Center Plus at 0800-169-0310. This is Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. or drop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.